Good morning, everyone. With the grace of God, all you are quite well at your home and enjoying with learning from WhatsApp group and YouTube also. In last video, you have done your introductory part of kinematics and calculation of velocity and acceleration of covered by distance object. Next one is what? Next one is your equation of motion, which is given by Newton's. What are the equation? Equation of motion. You all know in class 9th or 10th, you have covered all three equations. First one is V equals to U plus AT. Second one is S equals to UT plus half AT square. Third one, V square equals to U square plus 2AS. U is the initial velocity, V is the final velocity, T is the time taken by the moving object, and S is your distance or displacement. You can drive all three equations by three different methods. I will give you explain every method one by one. First one is calculus method. First equation, first method के through first equation देखिए. All we know what is your acceleration. The rate of change of velocity is known as acceleration. A equals to dv over dt. The rate of change of acceleration. Okay? Yes. Then on cross multiplying dv equals to a dt. On integrating, what we get? Initial value to final. Initial velocity to final velocity. A dt. Initial time to final time. Covered time. Time taken. इंटीग्रल डिफरेंशियल नेगलेक्ट हुआ. u to v a इंटीग्रल डिफरेंशियल नेगलेक्ट t from 0 to t. तो फाइनल वैल्यू माइनस इनिशियल इक्वल्स टू a फाइनल माइनस इनिशियल. सो v इक्वल्स टू u plus at. It's our first equation by calculus method. Write down. Okay? Yes. What's your second? S equals to, what is your second equation? S equals to ut plus half at square. Yes. From calculus method, you know all. S equals to ut plus half at square. Okay? All we know. Velocity is what? The rate of change of displacement. All we know that the rate of change of displacement is known as velocity. Okay? Then on cross multiplying v dt. V is what? From first equation v equals to, in first equation you derived v equals to u plus at. Okay, then on integrating 0 to s u dt plus at dt. Time limit is 0 to t, 0 to t. Okay, on integrating, integral and differential are the just reverse, so they neglect lower to upper limit, u lower to upper. t का इंटीग्रल क्या हुआ? x to the power n का इंटीग्रेशन क्या होगा? x to the power n plus 1 over n plus 1. 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1. Then final minus initial equals to u. Final minus initial. Final minus initial. After solving, s equals to ut plus half at square. It's your second by calculus method. Okay? Yes. Your third one is what? V square equals to U square plus 2AS. V square equals to U square plus 2AS. Yes. देखिए what is all you know, the rate of change of velocity is known as acceleration. The rate of change of velocity is known as acceleration. dv over dt on multiplying dx over dx, then the rate of change of displacement is known as velocity, v dv over dx on cross multiplying a dx equals to v dv. Okay, its limit be 0 to s. Velocity limit is initial velocity to final velocity u to v. Okay, x to the power n का integration x to the power n plus 1 over n plus 1 v square by 2 from u to v. a constant हुआ, s का integration upper minus lower. क्या मिला ये? इंटीग्रल डिफरेंशियल नेगलेक्ट x from 0 to s. Okay, then upper limit minus lower limit equals to as minus 0. Then after solving v square minus e square equals to 2as. It's our third equation by calculus method. Okay. Next is your algebraic method. What? Algebraic. I will give you explanation of first equation. I will give you an explanation of only first equation. You have to do second or third, just following it. Okay? Yes. देखिए, from which method? From algebraic method. From algebraic method आप इन तीन इक्वेशन को फिर से सॉल्व करेंगे, बट आई विल गिव यू एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ ओनली फर्स्ट इक्वेशन. ऑन द बिहाफ ऑफ फर्स्ट इक्वेशन you have to derive your second or third by algebraic method only, because in class 9th you have done first, second, third by this method, but I will give you explanation of first only. Otherwise I will give you all three. If you are not able to do all these equation, then I will give you explanation of all equation. Okay? Yes. Your first equation is v equals to u plus at. Your acceleration is what? आप जानते हैं, acceleration is rate of change of velocity, change in velocity over change in time. Then v minus u बराबर at. So v equals to u plus at. It's our first equation by algebraic method. Okay. On the behalf of algebraic method, you have done your first equation. Similarly, you have to derive your second or third equation, because in class 9th you have derived all three equations by algebraic method. Okay, so do yourself. Otherwise, I will give you help tomorrow. Thank you.